Think making anime is hard? Watch this. This video teaches you how to make perfect anime videos with your phone using CapCut and Seedance AI. Step 1.
The first thing is to get the script and get the prompts for the script, right? So I say create a 20 seconds anime story. This is Grok, not ChatGPT. This is Grok AI. Then it gives us a short script with timing. The images inclusive. It just generated the scripts and generated the images alongside it.
Step 2.
I'm on CapCut. There's the video. I'm not opening it yet. I just want to show you how I did it. So we go to AI Lab. If I wanted to make the story, I just have to put in Seedance 2.0, click on it, and add my images for my references and the prompts, and it takes us to. I'll probably do that, but let's see how I did others first. So at this up right here is where you get your history of the videos you've created. So there's my first clip. Remember, it's 4 clips. This is the first clip. A 5 seconds prompt. And you see, I attached the first image Grok gave to me as references, and I made the video. Now it gave me an aspect ratio of 9:16, which is for YouTube Shorts or TikTok channel. So I made it make it 16:9, and there's it. Now I didn't say this. Seedance 2.0 needs credits, and you have to have credits on CapCut to use Seedance. And to make this 5 seconds video, 60 credits was used. So now I go to check others. In this page, I generated my second clip, my third clip, and the fourth clip. So in the second clip, I added my image 1 to give the AI a full reference of this is how the anime character should be. And then I added image 3. Remember it's clip 2 we are doing, but I added image 3 for it to know how Fox looks like. Understand? So there's that. I pasted my master prompt that God gave me, the clip prompt itself that it gave me. And then remember it keeps telling me if you leave it, it's going to, whether it tells you or not, it's going to give you your video in 9:16, which is for TikTok. And we don't want that. So make it 16:9 because of its YouTube video. And then I said it gives me the task it wants to do. I said make it 10 seconds, but it tells me it doesn't show it here. But 10 seconds now give more credit than it should. Like it took more credit from me, which I remember credit is like your money when you're dealing with AI. So I just went back to make it 8 seconds, and there's the video results. So it used 136 credits to make an 8 seconds video. I have to show you. So that's that. Then for our clip 3, our short 3, clip 3, whatever we call it, I added image 3 that Grok gave us as reference. Then I already know how it works. So then the fourth image, this is when she reaches Moscow Gates with super speed. And you know how it works. The prompts, giving the prompts, the master, remember, key in the master prompts. Grok specifically said to key it in every generation unit. So I make sure I key it in with the clip prompt, and this the last one. So in as much as this is a 20 seconds anime video, you can generate as much as you want, as far as you're giving the AI a reference image. Especially if I was to generate more videos with this in this particular anime story, I will specifically use that image 1 because it gives a clear view of the main character in the anime story. It gives a clear view of how she is. So AI is always going to use it. Seedance AI. It's always going to use it to create videos for you. So it's a good reference image. And remember something of note: these videos were made in 720 resolution. If I was to increase it to 1080, is going to it will take more credit. And if you're using CapCut, you can always export it in high resolution in CapCut. But that is if you're on the pro level.
Step 3.
Now remember, we're already on CapCut, we don't need much stress. We just generate our videos and come to edit the edit tab and edit it. So a quick recap of what we've done is Seedance 2.0. Yeah, that's it. Seedance 2.0. And this light blue color stuff. This is where we see our past history. So we come to edit. Remember, I've already created this video. So this is loading. So now this is our video. But remember, in our when I was showing you the clips, the generated clips, it didn't have all this. You can see wish winds and stuff, just all these sounds, all the sound effects and music. It didn't have all that. And okay, let me show you how it was done. So to generate this wish wind, we just create more a dramatic, I don't know what to call it. The wind. That's the effect I'm talking about. So you just click on, if you wanted to add something else, or just click on audio. Now to get this wish wind effect, you click on SFX, sound effects. So if you come to its history, you can see running whoosh, fall impact, sparkle, big magic. Just click on. Okay, so most of them, just if you feel like if you're new at anime stories, just ask Grok or ChatGPT what type of SFX should I use for this particular anime story. Right? It saves you the stress. So whatever it tells you, just search it here. If it tells you running, sparkle, um, bell ring, whatever it tells you, just search it here and you see it and you add it. Right? So let me say sparkle. I don't add it. I'll add it to the video, but I'll delete it. But I just want to show you how it's done. So let me say, let's test it with the sparkle sound. If you want something like this, or something, okay, let's take the second one. You add it. Come and add it here. The it, do you hear that? Remember, it's at the beginning. So remember that this line, this straight line that crosses 00 here at the beginning of the video is what directs the whole thing. If this stuff is here, okay, let me show you what I mean. If this stuff is here now, and I add let's say speed rush. Okay, let's just take it. I just want to show you. You see, this is where it comes. If the line was at the beginning of the story of the video, it's going to be, that's where this high speed movement will be located. You know what I mean? So 3 that sound. And then you can hear all the sounds, but then I don't need it in my video, so I have to like just delete it. So you just want to delete it, just click on it, delete. I don't need it. The sparkle sound we put. It's not even bad on the video, but also I don't need it, so I delete it. And my video is the same. So this house, if you want to add sounds, the music, you can also ask ChatGPT which music should I add. You just come search for it. This is the two recent searches. I used magical girl sound and we just sprint sound to add to the video, and that's how I got my video. When you want to add more generated clips to your video, just add the plus sign. Now this is the photo we added. The photo is just there. See it? You can expand the photo. Just click here and keep expanding. It just keeps going from there. Now to delete it, because I don't need it, I click on the particular clip, I delete. I click here too, so I add it, I delete, and that's all. If you want to export, this export button. Now my video is already on 1080 resolution because I'm on CapCut Pro, but I don't know how CapCut Free Plan actually really works, so I have to like check it to be sure. Someone just stuck. I have to like check to see how free it is and how not free it is. This is how I created my anime story, and that's how simple it is. Just have credits and have good prompts and use a good Seedance. Use good AI. Now there's Seedance 1.5. Remember I used Seedance 2.0. There's Seedance 1.5. I'm going to show you an anime I created with that later. So thank you for watching, and if it helps, do subscribe.